I get this question all the time. Deven, how do you decide whether to build one channel or test multiple micro channels first? For beginners with limited time and budget, the default is one channel. Not because micro channels never work, but because most people don't have enough reps, enough content volume, or enough packaging skill to split attention that early. Here's the simple decision rule I use: certainty, capacity, and audience overlap. First, certainty. If you already have a niche you can commit to for the next 20 to 30 videos, build one channel. You need enough shots on goal to learn thumbnails, titles, retention, and topic selection inside one feedback loop. Second, capacity. If you cannot consistently publish at least 1 to 2 solid videos per week per channel, don't multiply channels. You're not running a portfolio. You're just diluting execution. Third, audience overlap. Test micro channels only when the ideas are so different that putting them on one channel would confuse the viewer. Different viewer problem, different channel. Same viewer, different angle. Keep it on one channel. My operator take: start with one channel, prove the format, then split only after you see clear topic clusters forming. If you do test multiple, set a kill rule up front. Same production template, same packaging standard, 5 to 10 uploads, then keep the one earning the strongest response. Satura is useful here as the workflow layer to track those experiments without chaos. So if you're new, don't optimize for optionality. Optimize for learning speed.